Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore billing form UX in Stripe Customer Portal, detailed guide step by step clearly. Start by logging into your Stripe account using your credentials. Once you're logged in, navigate to the dashboard. On the left sidebar, click on the Settings option. In the Settings menu, locate and select Customer Portal. You will see various configurations for the Customer Portal. Scroll down to find the Billing section. In this section, look for the option labeled Billing Details. Make sure that the toggle for Show Billing Details is turned on. This will enable customers to see their billing information. Next, review the Payment Methods section. Ensure that the relevant payment options are selected, such as credit and debit cards. If needed, adjust the payment method settings to align with your customer preferences. You can also customize the appearance of the billing form. To do this, go to the Appearance tab within the Customer Portal settings. Here, you can modify colors, fonts, and overall layout. Preview changes to see how they affect user experience. Once you're satisfied, save all your adjustments. Proceed to test the Customer Portal functionality. Create a test customer account if you haven't done so already. Log into the Customer Portal with this test account. Navigate to the Billing section to ensure everything appears as intended. Adjust any settings if necessary based on your observations. Finally, communicate any changes or updates to your customers. This ensures they understand the new billing form features in the Customer Portal. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.